Hi everyone, it's Pixel Cadet right here. Recently I've been messing around a lot with my 3D printers and I've been creating a couple designs that I uploaded to printables and called 3D. And I just realized to create nice and clean product images on those websites, I need to photograph my 3D printed designs on a backdrop. But since, as you guys can see, my space is limited, this used to be a laundry room that I turned into my working space for all my 3D printed stuff, related stuff. And yeah, since space is limited, I need to create some sort of you know mechanism for my backdrop so that it can easily be collapsed and open up. So I was thinking to create a wall-mounted backdrop that is easy to access, open and put back. That's the thing right there at the back. And in this video, I will take you through the process of designing the model, testing them, and finally mounting them onto my wall for the first usage. Stick around. From the get-go, I know that I need to design the pieces separately because of Ender's 3 small printing volume and also to shorten the printing duration. So I'm planning to create two sets of mirroring roller that will be attached on both ends of my backdrop. I printed the parts after I was quite happy with the design so that I can test them out. I did a dry run and tried to assemble all the pieces before gluing all of them together and mounting them to the wall. I also did some measurements and marked the walls so that they will be mounted straight. And I need to make sure that the two rollers have enough space in between for my backdrop. After that, I did another dry run just to double check. I glued all the parts together and now it's the moment of truth. Took the backdrop and inserted the ends on both rollers, and only then I realized that the slit I created to clamp the backdrop in place didn't really work as intended. As a makeshift solution, I'm using a painter's tape to hold the end of the backdrop together. Maybe for the next iteration I will use a Velcro tape so that it can be easily reused. My backdrop is mounted on the wall and I will show you how to use this. I just need to pull down the backdrop like so. For now I need to put a painter's tape to keep the other end of the backdrop in place. I was thinking to use Velcro stripes so that it can easily be attached and detached. So for now, I'm gonna take the painter's tape and stick it onto the surface, and we'll be right back. Cool, so now the other end of the backdrop is securely put in place to make sure that it doesn't roll back. I just need to take the object that I want to take a picture of, place it, set up the lighting, and start shooting. I know this is just a small backdrop. It's only ideal for small objects, and since I've been working on some small designs anyway, it's just like something like this. So I think it's good for now. And yeah, the idea is after I finish taking picture of all the models that I want, I just need to, take them out and then take off the tape, like so. Here there is a dial that you can turn to roll the backdrop back in place, like so. Maybe it would be cool if I had another Velcro stripe here so that I can always attach it here so that the end of the backdrop doesn't flap around. There is hole on the frame here because I was thinking to create a simple mechanism to lock the roll in place so that it doesn't roll around, but I just realized that I don't need that because the backdrop length itself is not that long. So as soon as you stick the other end on the surface, it will stay in place. So that was the first version of my wall-mounted backdrop. There are still many things to improve, but I'm pretty happy with this for now. With this I can easily do a photo shoot and tidy them up in no time. Please let me know what you guys think of this, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.